welcome back for another video of Service Reset My Car. Today I'm going to show you can get rid of this indicator over it, inspection indicator of an Opel Combo. Building year is 2009 till 2011. And in this short video I'm going to show you I can reset this. Before we start, I want to mention our YouTube channel, Service Reset My Car. Have a look at our channel for more than 500 other videos on how to reset different model cars. Use the comment area if you have any questions. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Okay, first of all, turn back off the ignition. Then we're gonna press this button over here. Press and hold it while you turn the ignition back on. Keep it pressed. You'll see the inspection indicator blinking. Must stop blinking. Like this, and when it stops blinking you can let go of the button, turn the ignition back on, and you'll see that the indicator won't show up anymore. That was it for this video. I hope you liked it. Did you like it? Give us a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel if you haven't subscribed yet, and hope to see you next time with another video. Stay safe, take care, bye bye.